We're dancing.
Oh.
We're boxing and dancing.
Is this part of playing Scrabble? I mean, you guys taking a break to get some exercise? What? Is this like the YMCA song?
No, that's like this.
We could remix it.
All right, what's the lyrics to this?
It's toy sack, baby toy. But do you know the song Love Shack? But
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Toy Shack. Okay.
Toy sack.
Toy Sack. All right.
Right. And then it's like something's pooping in the sack. Something in the sack. It's really funny.
I can't put this on YouTube now.
Why? Because he said poop?
Because she said poop.
You can't say poop on YouTube.
It's probably not in the Scrabble dictionary. All right. See if it's in the Scrabble dictionary. If it is, I'll accept it.
Poop is not in the Scrabble dictionary. Okay, hold on.
Scrabbling again.
Oh, Mark, you're kidding. You were here last week.
Let's see.
All right.